Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can draw the English 4-line worksheet in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on that under the best match. Click on blank document and then maximize this. Now let me put this to the center. So here is we need to simply click on the insert tab right here and you will find table. Click on the table. Then we need to put 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just this first one and then that's it. Then we need to click on the table layout and here you will find eraser. Now let's erase the borders. Okay. So you need to erase the borders in here. Just the borders. I'll go back to eraser. And then go back to home. And then now we have created this 4 lines. And then click on this 4 arrows. And then you will find table design. Then you will find the border pane. Click on that. And then we need to choose the pen color. We need to choose red first. Dark red. And then we need to color this to this one. First line. And then for the last line, I think I've created 5 lines. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go back to pen color. Click on this drop down arrow and choose blue. For the second line and the third line. Now let me go back to home. And that's it. There you go. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.